Samantala, unanimous po ang mga West sa pagbibigay naman ng panalo kay Senador Manny Pacquiao laban kay Adrian Broner. At kaugnay po niyan ay makakausap natin ang ating sports analyst na si Mr. JM Siasa. JM, good morning.
Good morning, Connie.
Okay, eto na. Ano ang take mo dito sa naging laban naman ng ating pambansa kamuo against Adrian Broner?
Okay. Sa performance ni Manny, it was a very dominant performance. Personally, I scored the fight 118 to 110 in favor of Manny Pacquiao. So that's 10 rounds to 2. Scorecard na 117-111, which is 9 rounds to 3. Okay lang. Kung magiging generous ako kay Broner, yun din ang kaya kong ibigay. Ang hindi ko nakikita na scorecard is 116 to 112. I don't know how two judges gave 4 rounds kay Adrian Broner. Kasi throughout the fight, he never knew how to fight Manny Pacquiao eh.
O parang wala nga siyang diskarte, hindi niya alam paano niya lalabanan, to think he's a counter-puncher.
Yes, exactly. I mean, ang ginawa ni Adrian Broner throughout the fight, throw a jab, throw a right straight, and left hook, umikot lang dun sa tatlong suntok na yun yung mga counter shots niya. But the problem was, he's not good enough to position himself in an angle para iland yung mga power shots niya. Makikita mo kasi, pag naglalaban ng Southpaw and Orthodox, it's not just a battle of hands, battle of paa din. So, kung makikita nyo, kung napansin nyo yung round 9, when Manny Pacquiao was able to rock Adrian Broner with the left hand, kailangan kasi ipasok mo yung paa mo eh. Yung inner lead foot mo, ipapasok mo sa gitna, and then you throw the left straight or right straight. Throughout the fight, mapapansin mo, si Adrian Broner, bato siya ng bato ng right straight, but he's not positioning himself in an angle, lalo na yung kanyang paa, para ilan yun. So, sabi nga ng after the fight, he was, the most punches he landed in a round was 8? Napakakonti.
Oo. So you don't believe na dapat nagkapuntos pa nga si Broner doon, sa mga, the rest of the other rounds?
I mean, like I said, kaya ko siyang bigyan up to 2 rounds. 3
Okay.
rounds kung talagang sobrang generous kasi meron din namang mga dumikit na round. Pero
hindi
that
ganun
was it. Yes,
significant.
yes,
Oo.
yes.
Pero itong nakita natin na sinasabi nila at age 40, of course, parang bihira ito sa isang boksingero na para makabalik yung bilis kahit papaano. Nakita mo rin ba yun? This was according to other analysts.
Well, Manny Pacquiao at 40 years old, he's a legend, He's good. He's a great fighter. He's good, but he's old. I mean, the speed is not the same anymore, and that was very evident nung round 7 na nasaktan niya si Adrian Broner. Makikita mo naman he doesn't throw the same amount of speed sa flurry niya. He's not the same fighter. But it doesn't mean that he's a bad fighter now. He's still a good fighter. Kasi kung titingnan natin throughout the history of boxing, ang mga boxer, there are great boxers and there are good boxers. Manny Pacquiao is a great boxer. And Adrian Broner is not bad. He's a good boxer, in fact. Ngayon, great boxers, time and time again, makikita natin yan sa boxing. The likes of Roberto Duran, the likes of Sugar Ray Leonard. A great boxer, even though he's past it, kahit na past na ng prime nila yan, they are always capable of beating good boxers. So Manny Pacquiao, being a great boxer that he is, at 40 years old, kahit ilinya mo lahat ng mga good boxers dyan, in their prime, even the younger ones, they will always be capable of beating them.
And that's the secret, yung consistency niya.
I mean, technique, experience-wise, kasi andun I mean, lalo na sa footwork, makikita mo kasi ayun talaga yung naging key sa laban na to.
I think dapat din nating pasalamatan yung kanyang coach si Buboy Fernandez because at least sa dalawang laban parehong panalo di ba?
Yes,
so anong sa tingin mo? Nakatulong ba na nagpalit din siya ng coach?
Okay, kasi ganito naging problema They kept trying when he was still training with Fred Roach. They kept trying to bring back the old Manny Pacquiao, which is yun ang gusto nating makitang lahat, the old fire. And ang nangyayari is they kept training him the same way when he was in his 30s, when he was in early 20s. Ngayon, as you age, as a boxer, may wear and tear yan And you cannot expect the body to respond the same way na nung mas bata ka. And as you got old, kailangan, napaka-importante ng rest and recovery. So, for a boxer, if before you punched the mitts in training for 15 rounds, when you were in your early 30s, when you were in your prime, you can't expect to be that
so dapat
same.
may adjustment
yes,
din, sa
there has to be an
pag-train.
adjustment. And credit to Buboy, kasi nakita niya yun na, teka,
Best friend
kailangan natin, yes. Kailangan natin tone down yung training because hindi na magre-respond yung katawan the same way.
And Manny's so vocal about it na hindi na the same way yung recovery period niya. Although the training and routine is there, syempre mas matagal na yung recovery period niya.
Yes.
Pero ito, ang sinasabi kasi after this, it's a prelude to Mayweather fight. So tama ba na si Mayweather na agad ang susunod nating kalabanin ni pambansa kamao Manny Pacquiao?
I mean, hindi when it comes to Mayweather, you can never tell eh. Kasi Floyd Mayweather being his own boss, I mean, he calls the shots. He will do whatever
That's right.
he wants, whenever he wants. Actually, binebate siya ni Jim Gray after the fight
I know, oo. Hindi naman sumagot eh.
Even Anad will do. Kung bibigyan niya ng rematch si Manny, hindi siya sumagot. Because that's how he is eh.
But everybody's saying na, ito nga, parang kinilatis niya kung nandyan pa yung galing ni Manny eh.
Yes,
no? That's
yes.
why he was right in front ng ring. Ano? Pero andyan pa, ang galing ng ating pambansa kamao. Definitely nakita natin yan sa laban na ito. Of course, hindi rin matatawaran. Ano? Ang galing din naman ni Mayweather. Wala pa siyang talo eh. Di ba? Pero pag sinabi natin na rematch, papaano ba? Papaano yung estilo ni Mayweather na sinasabi kasi nung last time parang hindi makapasok si Manny eh, di ba? Anong nakikita mo doon?
Ang lagi natin sinasabi sa boxing, styles make fights. Okay? Ngayon, I've talked about this a few years ago nung kanilang unang fight. I really believe na in order for Manny Pacquiao to beat Floyd Mayweather, it has to be the old version of Pacquiao. Yung talagang parang spitfire, kumbaga, na nasa loob ng ring, keeps throwing punches, hard flurries, and fast ones. Ngayon, nag-age si Manny. He's not the same. He doesn't have the same speed. Medyo nagre-rely siya ngayon sa kanyang boxing skills. Eh. Actually, sa ganyan niya tinalo si Broner. With his movement, with his boxing skills. Ano? And against Floyd Mayweather, can you really outbox talagang master tactician o master boxer in Floyd Mayweather? Pero I also believe that Manny perhaps has a better chance this time. Kasi kung if you've watched Floyd Mayweather's last pro fight against Conor McGregor,
Iba na rin.
iba na rin eh. Yung reflex is not the same. He gets hit way too much. Yung kanyang footwork, wala na doon. His legs are gone. So, perhaps...
Pero magandang maglaban dahil pareho halos magkaedad eh, di ba? Hindi
Yes,
naman
yes.
na masyado nalalayo yung edad nila. So, we'll wait and see.
We'll wait and see.
Alright. Thank you very much sa yung binigay sa aming mga insights on boxing. Maraming salamat po sa ating sports analyst na si Ginoong JM Siasat. Thank you.